Yeah, boy.
Alright everybody, that was the beginning of the video. Hope everyone is doing good today. Let me turn traction control back on. I hope everyone is doing good. I hope Christmas went well for you guys. Everybody got their gifts and everything. And got to spend time with the families. In today's video, we're going to do a short POV drive and also talk about 2026 a little bit and what the plans are, at least for me and for this channel. And yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Alright my people, so before we get into the nitty gritty and we start talking about next year, let's do some pulls. You guys can get the nice sweet sound of a supercharged V6. Still got a bunch of ice everywhere on the car. I was doing donuts yesterday because we had a really good snow day. There was snow everywhere, so I had to go out and do some donuts, you guys. So I'll show you guys a clip right here. What I was doing, there was a guy that recorded me, but hopefully I can get in contact with that guy so I can get that video, a full clip of me doing some sick donuts on this car. Yeah, it's been great, you guys. Yeah, I had a great day yesterday with the car. Comment below if you like the sound of the supercharger. One more pull. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah guys, yesterday I had a lot of fun doing donuts in this car. That's why it's like super dirty. The windshield is like got a bunch of dirt and salt and this and everything. But alright people, let's talk about the plans for next year. So there are 3 things I want to get done, you guys, for the next year, coming year. And even starting right now with this video, I don't want to leave things for later, because why leave it for later when you get started now, you know? And the first thing we're going to talk about, you guys, is the fact that the channel is kind of all over the place right now. Yeah, so there were a lot of random things going on with the channel. For one video, I would record vlogs, and then for the next video, it would be me just doing POV drives. From 2026, I want to get a plan together, kind of like a checklist, and then start doing solid vlogs on building this car. And that's what I want to focus on, you guys. And the second thing is editing the videos. Learning how to edit, learning how how to actually talk to a camera, get in front of a camera, and kind of create a story behind all of my videos. So that's one thing that I want to focus on. And at the moment, my videos are okay, but I do want to learn how to do different things, gain different skills with editing, film different angles, this, that, whatever it is, you name it. Let's get into this car wash real quick, and then we'll continue with the story. So yeah, you guys, that's the second thing I want to work on. There are a lot of things that I'm missing. How to create a proper story, how to, talk on camera, to be able to create a whole story. That's one thing I actually want to learn how to do. And it's very difficult. It's not a thing you learn from one day to the next. It takes quite a bit of time to actually learn how to do those things. So yeah, that's going to be the focus. Coming 2026, it'll be creating quality videos for you guys. So yeah, guys, that is number 2, and I think that's key for 2026 because you guys want to see something that actually, entertain you guys and provides value to you guys. So yeah, that's gonna be the focus. Taking all the ice off of it. Alright, she is nice and clean right now. Alright, she's looking alright. Still got some ice here and there, but much better. No salt, so that's washed off, kind of. You see all the ice falling off, but anyways, you guys. And yeah, the third thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was actually reaching 1,000 subscribers by, I don't know, maybe 3 months into the next year. Let's do it, you guys. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Hitting 1,000 subscribers will allow me to, I will unlock new things for the channel and for this car and for me as well, because that's when you get monetized as a YouTuber. Until you reach that 1,000 goal, then your videos will not be making money, essentially. But yeah, that's the third one. But yeah, we're gonna continue with the drive. Let's get going. And yeah, those are the 3 things I wanted to talk to you guys about today, and those are the goals for the next year. Supercharger 1 is intoxicating, so is the exhaust. I think I got the best setup on YouTube or Instagram for my exhaust. Shout out Generic Cat. Shout out AWE Catback Exhaust. Shout out AWE Intake. Pop right there, you guys. don't think the camera can pick up on that. I don't think the camera can pick up on the little pops that the car throws out there. I think it's super loud from the outside. One of these days I'll record some pulls or some cinematic shots of me doing pulls on this thing. But I gotta get the crew together, a couple of my friends that can help me record that. Alright you guys, so for those of you who made it to the end of this video, thank you guys for watching once again. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share with your people. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and God bless.